Ever found yourself struggling to grasp a new language? You're not alone. Language learning can be a real uphill battle. It's not just about memorizing words and phrases, but understanding the nuances, the culture, and the rhythm of a whole new way of communicating. It's no wonder that many of us find it challenging. But don't worry, there's hope. If you're looking for an effective, comprehensive language learning solution, you might want to consider the Pimsleur program. You might be wondering, what is Pimsleur? Well, it's a language learning program that's been around for over 50 years. Created by Dr. Paul Pimsleur, a renowned linguist, it's stood the test of time, assisting millions of learners globally. The Pimsleur method focuses on engaging the learner's native language skills to learn a new language, making it a natural and intuitive process. It's not just about rote memorization, but understanding and using the language in a real-world context. Now let's dive into why you should choose Pimsleur for your language learning journey. Here are 5 solid reasons why Pimsleur could be your best bet for language learning. First up, Pimsleur boasts a scientifically proven methodology. Decades of cognitive research underpin each course, ensuring optimal recall and comprehension. This isn't just a random assortment of vocabulary and phrases. It's a structured program designed to enhance your retention and understanding of a new language. Secondly, Pimsleur emphasizes listening and speaking skills. It's not about rote memorization or grammar drills. Pimsleur gets you speaking and understanding your chosen language from day one. It's like having a personal conversation tutor in your pocket. Thirdly, Pimsleur offers a flexible learning schedule. Got 15 minutes during your lunch break? How about half an hour on your commute home? Pimsleur's bite-sized 30-minute lessons fit perfectly into your busy day, allowing you to learn at your own pace. Reason number 4 is the cultural context lessons. Pimsleur doesn't just teach you a language, it immerses you in its culture. You'll learn how to navigate social situations, understand customs, and even pick up on nuances that textbooks often miss. Finally, Pimsleur offers progress tracking features. You can easily monitor your progress, identify areas for improvement, and celebrate your language learning victories. It's like having a personal coach cheering you on every step of the way. These are just a few of the reasons why Pimsleur stands out in the world of language learning. Impressed with what Pimsleur offers? We thought you might be. Imagine a world where language barriers no longer exist for you. That's the power of Pimsleur. With its scientifically backed methods, you can start speaking a new language sooner than you think. So why not give it a try? Make your language learning journey not just manageable, but enjoyable. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content and discounts. Your language learning success could be just a click away. Before you go, we want to make sure you're well equipped to make the most out of Pimsleur. Remember, consistency is key in language learning. So set aside a few minutes each day to practice. Don't rush through the courses. Each lesson is designed to be completed in 30 minutes, and it's crucial to fully understand each one before moving on to the next. And remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to repeat a lesson if you need to. We also encourage interaction with other language learners. Join our community forums or social media groups to practice your new language skills. And finally, don't forget to have fun with it. For more tips and guidance, make sure you click on the link in the description or the comments. Happy learning!